This is gonna blow your mind. Today we embark on an extraordinary journey into the heart of the South American wilderness, where one of nature's most fascinating and formidable creatures resides. South America is home to a snake so massive and mysterious it's almost mythical. The dense jungles and sprawling rainforests of this continent provide the perfect backdrop for the life of the South American python, a creature that has captivated the imagination of many. Meet the South American python, a creature of legend and awe. With its sleek, muscular body and mesmerizing patterns, this snake is a true marvel of evolution. These massive snakes can stretch up to 26 feet and tip the scales at over 220 pounds. Imagine encountering such a colossal serpent in the wild. It's a sight that would leave anyone in awe. Imagine a predator so stealthy its prey never sees it coming. The South American python is a master of stealth, moving silently through the underbrush, its eyes locked onto its next meal. They thrive in the vibrant, moist forests and swamps of South America, always near a water source. These environments are teeming with life, providing ample opportunities for the python to hunt and thrive. This environment offers the perfect hunting grounds for our slithery friend. The dense foliage and abundant water sources create a haven for the python, where it can lie in wait for unsuspecting prey. South American pythons are masters of camouflage and patience. Their intricate patterns allow them to blend seamlessly with the forest floor, making them nearly invisible to both prey and predators. They lie in wait, blending seamlessly with their surroundings, ready to strike with powerful constriction when the moment is right. With lightning-fast reflexes, they can capture and subdue their prey in an instant. But it's not all smooth slithering for these magnificent reptiles. The encroachment of human activity into their natural habitats poses significant challenges for their survival. They face serious threats, from habitat destruction to illegal hunting. Deforestation and land development are rapidly shrinking the areas where these pythons can live and hunt, while poaching for their skin and meat further endangers their population. The population of these incredible creatures is declining, and they need our help. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that future generations can witness the majesty of the South American python. So what can we do? There are many ways we can contribute to the preservation of these magnificent snakes. Supporting organizations that work to protect their habitats and enforce anti-poaching laws is a great start. By supporting conservation efforts and spreading awareness, we can play a part in preserving the magic of the South American python. Educating others about the importance of these snakes in the ecosystem can help garner more support for their protection. Thanks for joining us on this wild adventure. Exploring the life of the South American python has been an eye-opening experience, and we hope it has inspired you to take action in protecting these incredible creatures. If you love this journey into the python's world, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Your support helps us continue to bring you fascinating stories from the natural world. Let's keep exploring and protecting our amazing planet together. Every small action counts, and together we can make a big difference in preserving the wonders of our world for generations to come.